I don't got nobody, just me, myself, and this Glock. It's just me, myself, and this. It's just me, myself, and this Glock. Me, myself, and this Glock. Yeah. It's just me, myself, and this Glock. Yeah. My switch. Yo, bitch. Sometimes. Who gon' be there if I need him for real? I ain't gon' flies, I was ready to die with the 30. I don't think that I need no more pills. I got myself off of cold sweats, nightmares, wake up and you still wasn't here. This money I trust for, well, that's it. On that shit till they see $250 on my wrist. Yeah, we ain't seen him out like him, no Glocky, just him and his bitch. Oh, I can't wait till I spot him again. Hopefully it's ggonna be me and my switch. All she eat, I jump to conclusion. I saw the real, she gon' eat dick quick. If he sneak this shoot, make him beef feet quick. Tell him bust out the stick, he won't quit till he hit.
Myself, they know how this shit go, man. Yeah.
Let me switch it up, go vent to the mic. Make a G19 sound like a damn Mac. Niggas switching on game, we got switch on our pipe. Got look low and hair clutch and blink at the light. Nigga Reese will slump his head in. Baby, I'm really a simple ass nigga. I just wanna get high like Red Man. It sound crazy, but I like you, girl. But I wanna get high, just real. Even though I be lying and tweaking and all that. Trust me when I say you thorough. Trust me when I say I want you here. But baby, that's only if you wanna be. She like when I rap on the Shawnee beat. Good dope, good smell, she on me. And I can put your hair all night with our wife, you know. She like, I really like you though. But it's part of the game, you know. I ain't have it back then, I'm not keeping the hoe. Me and Twin in that Jeep doing shows, you ain't even hitting the phone.
Man,
Nigga, that was 3 years ago.
3 years ago.
Fuck I need you for.
Fuck I need you for.
Still Dolo, man. Coming soon.